On-site installation and commissioning is often one of the most important steps in the life cycle of a plant. Standardized processes and good communication are essential. Detailed documentation and successful acceptance by the customer are equally important. That is why Workheld provides digital project templates and checklists with which processes can be standardized and commissioning can be easily documented. This ensures that nothing is forgotten. Tasks can be conveniently checked off, or specified measured values recorded. Even the recording of expenses and travel time documentation is simplified. With the integrated tool and material management, required resources are conveniently assigned to the job. This way, your technicians know immediately what is needed. In addition, you always have an overview of the material stock and can reorder directly. Checklists are no longer processed on paper but digitally, and reports are created from them at the touch of a button. The customer's signature is digital. This makes the acceptance and the documentation of director's work child's play. All this works offline, of course, so that even a missing internet connection is no problem for your technicians on site. If something is unclear, technicians can easily call in experts via Workheld Call to solve the problem by video call. With data glasses, the technicians even have their hands free. Via the status dashboard, you always have an overview of the work progress in the back office and can see immediately if defects or delays occur in individual project steps. With Workheld, commissioning becomes digital and technicians can concentrate on the actual work of the plant. Your technicians and your customers will be impressed. To support you ideally in your work, our experts adapt Workheld to your wishes without much effort. With it, you can master any challenge, whether near or far.